What?
Nobody said you wasn't. I can't understand why we went down from 22% to fucking 9%.
Terry's fucking driving. Terry was finally allowed behind the wheel of the Charger. Oh, he's coming over in our lane. Holy shit! Oh my god!
What a fucking idiot.
Oh my god! He came over on us! Like, what the fuck? Get his fucking truck number and all that. Get it.
It's probably a fucking owner-operator. There ain't no damn name on the trailer.
I want that fucking truck number. Somewhere.
It's right there on that.
Terry.
The fucking owner-operator.